Dear students of class 5th, chapter 6, decimal, exercise 2, we have to complete today. In this exercise, simply you have to write the place value of the decimal numbers and expand the decimal numbers in the decimal form or fraction form both. So, first of all, we start question number 1, part E, that is 3547.18. In this question, we have to write the place value of each the digit. This is 3, so place value of 3, place value of 5, place value of 4, place value of 7, 1 and 8. So, how many digits are there in the number? Separately, we have to write these place values. So, first of all, we will write the place value of 3. The place value of 3 is, we will write the place value of 8 first. This will be tens hundredth. At which place this is? This is at a hundredth place, means 8 upon 100. You can also write 0.08. 1, this is at tens place, so this will be 1 upon 10. You can also write 0.1 and this also write 0.08. Now the place value of 7 is 7 1 ja 1, 7. Place value of 4 is at tens place, so 4 into 10, 40. Place value of 5 is at hundredth place, 100 place, not hundredth, 100 place, so 5 into 100 means 500. Place value of 3 is at 1000 place, so 3 into 1000 will be 3000. These are the place value of each of the digit containing in this number. Question number 1, part F. F is 72.075. Place value of each digit. Place value of 5, tens, hundreds, thousand. 5 is at thousandth place, it means 5 upon 1000, or you can also write 0.005. For 7 is at tens, hundreds place, so 0.07. Place value of 0 will be 0. Place value of 2 will be 2, 2 1 ja 2. 7 is at tens place, so 7 10 ja 70. Now part G, this is 11.005. Now the place value of 5, this is at thousandth place, means 0.005. This will be 0, 0. 1 is at ones place, so 1 into 1, 1. 1 is at tens place, 1 into 10, 10. Question number 1, part H, this is 927.729. Place value of 9 is at tens, hundreds, thousandth place, means 0.009. Place value of 2, 0.02. Place value of 7, 0.7. Now the place value of 7 is 7, because 7 1 ja 7, 2 10 ja 20, and 900 ja means 109 ja 900. 900. This place value of 7, 7 1 ja 7. Place value of 2 is at tens place, so 2 into 10, 20. 9 is at hundreds place, so 9 into 100 will be 900. So these are the place values of each of the digit in the number. I hope you have understood. Remaining part ABCD you will solve by yourself. This is question number 1. Now let's start question number 2. Write the following in expanded form, in decimal form and fraction form. Means this number, this is the decimal number. This number we have to write in expanded form. Expanded form means this is 3000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7, then decimal, then this is 1 tens, this is tens, so 1 upon 10 or 0.1, whatever you want to write. So there are two forms to represent this number in expanded form. fraction form and decimal form. So in the question number 2, in the both the forms we have to write this question part E. So this will be, first of all we write in fraction decimal form. This is decimal form. So its decimal form will be there. First of all, this will be 3000 as it is, and then 500 as it is, plus 40 plus 7, and then plus decimal form. Decimal form means this is 0.1 plus this 8, 0.08. This question number 2, part F. This is 72.075. Decimal form. Its decimal form will be 70 plus 2. This is 72 plus the 0.0 this, and then plus 0.07 tenth place, and the 100th place is 5, means 0.007. This is fraction form. Also we have to write, I have forgot there, sorry for that. Fraction form. So its fraction form will be there, 3000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7 plus this is 0.1, means 1 upon 10, plus this is 1 upon 100, means 8 upon 100 will be there. 8 upon 100, 1 upon 10, 8 upon 100, means this is 800th, 1/10th. There is no ones in the decimal part. Then it's a fractional form. In the fraction form, so its a fractional form will be there, 70 plus 2 plus 0 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 7 upon, this is 5, this is 5, so 5 upon 1000. This is the expanded form. Another part, the part G you can solve by yourself. Part H, this is question number 2, part H. Part H is 927.729. Its decimal form, expanded form in decimal form will be there. This is 900 plus 20 plus 7 plus this is decimal means 0.7 plus 0.02 plus 0.009. In the fraction form it will be 900 plus 20 plus 7 plus 7 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 9 upon 1000. So this is the expanded form of the question. I hope you have understood. First of all, you will represent the number in decimal form, then fraction form. All the parts are very easy. Using this video, you have to solve all remaining questions by yourself. Question number 3, that is write the following in short form. Part C, E and F I will solve you. Remaining parts you will solve by yourself. In these questions, the expanded form is already given. You have to represent this expanded form in the short form. This is 70 and this is plus 2. It means this is 72 and this is decimal. 1/10, 200th, 3000 means 1/10, 200th, 3000. So this is the short form of this expansion. Now 320 and 1, so this will be 321 decimal, 0.1, 1/10, 200s only, 1/10, 200s, there is no 1000. This is the answer there. 55, this is 55.5/10, 500s, 5000 means 555. Remaining parts you can solve by yourself. I hope you have understood completely. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask and complete this exercise today. Next exercise will be given tomorrow. Thank you, students.